Use tea tree oil for hair growth. Tea tree oil proves to be a good natural remedy for hair growth. Tea tree oil has proven natural antifungal and antibacterial properties that help in maintaining a clean, healthy scalp and strong, healthy hair follicles. It helps remove all the dead skin on your scalp as well as to get rid of scalp fungi and bacteria. This obviously promotes hair growth. Tea tree oil also moisturizes hair to help soothe dry and itchy scalp and helps to unclog hair follicles and nourish your roots. To use tea tree oil as a hair growth treatment, take 2 teaspoons of olive oil and add 3 to 5 drops of tea tree oil. Mix it well and massage the mixture onto the scalp. Leave it for at least 30 minutes and wash off your hair. Repeat it for twice a week. Olive oil is a natural conditioner that improves the health of your hair. It solves the problems like dry flaky scalp or dandruff. In combination with tea tree oil, it makes a hydrating hair growth remedy.